Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more gunfight 1 versus 1 matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, practice aim. Spend time in aim training apps or modes to improve your accuracy. Understand the strength and weaknesses of the weapon you're using. Utilize cover effectively to minimize your exposure to enemy fire. Be aware of your surroundings and potential enemy positions. Listen for footsteps and gunfire to locate enemies. Always pre-aim to common enemy entry points. Strafe left and right while engaging to make yourself a harder target. Aim for the head to down enemies faster. Reload when safe, not in the middle of a gunfight. Monitor your health and take cover to regenerate when needed. Utilize grenades, flashbangs, and other equipped to gain an advantage. Learn to control your weapon's recoil for more accurate shots. Practice hip firing for close quarters combat situations. Sometimes the best defense is a good offense. Push enemies when the opportunity arises. Know when to hold back and wait for the enemy to make a move. Use decoys or strategic positioning to lure enemies into ambushes. Position yourself advantageously, preferably on higher ground. Keep a steady hand and a clear mind during gunfights. Analyze your deaths and learn from them to improve your skills. Always keep your armor topped up for extra protection. Stay aware of your surroundings and potential flank routes. Coordinate with your teammates for better chances in engagements. Adjust your playstyle based on your loadout and available equipment. Use kill streaks rewards strategically to gain an advantage. Sometimes waiting for the right moment to strike is the best strategy. And that's how to win more gunfight in 1 versus 1 matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.